Alright guys, what is up and good morning. You guys, we got a good video for you guys today. I got a secret car, yup, that I have not shown to the vlog, and I think it's time, but we're gonna have a little fun with it. So what's going on? So the cool thing that I wanted to do was I came to a morning car meet and I have the secret car in here. It's in one of these cars somewhere. So what we're gonna do is, if you can guess, I'm gonna show a whole bunch of cars. If you can guess which car it is, I don't know, we'll figure something out at the end. Maybe I give a shirt away, something, because I'm trying to coming out with a new logo design and new everything, so we'll see how it goes, but let's just get right into it. And this shit goes hard. It's definitely cool. All the little mini trucks. That's cool, huh? Okay. It's pretty nice paint. These guys are like dumped for real. Look at this Prius. Oh, it's not that bad. Yeah, looks pretty dope. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Ooh, a Subi. Go back to the Subi gang, huh? Huh? Hey guy. Hello. Hello. Ooh, that's taggies. That's a clean one. They're all pretty clean. Ooh. That one. It's nice. It's nice. Ooh, a little green one. That one's pretty clean. I like it. Hint, hint. Ooh, another S2000. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Civic. Civic. Dope, 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 dope. Yep. Okay, okay. Oh. Another mini truck. Dope, 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 dope. 370. Alright, pretty clean. Another taggy. Pretty clean. BMW. Maybe I'll upgrade to this one day. It's starting to get a little warm. This is nice. Yeah. You guys, that was it right there. Hopefully I'm staying in frame. I can't really see the lens from right here, but you guys, that was the car was in there. If you saw the car, you saw the car. If you already know about the car, don't say nothing. But what we're gonna do, if you stayed this far in the video, what I'm gonna do, so for anybody who gets the right car, the first comment to get the correct car, I will send you one of our new drops of this sweater, which is gonna come out pretty soon. This is the new logo, the new design, so go ahead and check it out. I'll send it to you personally, to you, the first drop. You guys let me know what the car you think that it is down in the comments below, and I'm not doing a reveal till like next week, so you're gonna have a week. So I'm not gonna do a reveal till next week, so just hang in there. But for the first comment that gets it right, I will send you something out. If you know me or if you know the car already, don't even try. Don't try, because I ain't gonna do that shit. Don't try. So yeah, I'm really excited. This car is not really gonna be like modified. It kind of already is modified in a sense, and it's gonna stay like that. I am gonna do a few touches here and there, but nothing too crazy. But this car is gonna stay the way it is. Like I said, this car is gonna be used more for something else rather than being worked on. or if not, I don't know, I might just sell it and buy something else. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with it. For right now, it's in my possession, and we'll see where it goes. But anyways, you guys, other than that, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.